Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing facts. Open logs, copy the exact message, and note the stack trace. Explain why. Reproducing lets you reduce noise and target the root cause. Once done, verify framework version and dependency versions match your production or test environment. Mismatches explain many failures. Create a minimal sandbox or small sample app that reproduces the error. This isolates configuration from custom code. Make sure to document steps to reproduce, because that accelerates debugging and prevents wasted effort. You now diagnose the cause, run unit or integration tests, and add targeted logging or breakpoints to inspect state. Explain why. Seeing variable values and call order reveals assumptions that broke. Once identified, try a safe rollback of recent commits or update the offending dependency to a compatible version. If code needs changes, refactor only the minimal area and use compatibility shims or configuration flags to avoid broad regressions. Make sure to run the test suite and smoke tests after each change. You finish by validating the fix. Run the full test suite and end-to-end checks, then deploy to staging and monitor logs and metrics to confirm behavior under realistic load. Explain why. Only integrated tests reveal side effects and regression risks. Once stable, deploy to production with a rollback plan. If the error persists, bisect commits to find the regression and prepare a small, standalone reproducer so others can help. One key tip: clear caches and restart services before blaming code, as stale state often misleads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.